My name is Tracy, and I want to tell you about a problem I used to have. There was a time my lunch break started with sorting out my bulky food containers. Then I had to deal with waiting in line to warm up my food. That was really annoying. But it only got worse from there. I ended up having to eat cold food. Something had to give.
Hello, my name is Maxim. I am the founder of NEOVEN. NEOVEN? It is the first personal portable device for heating food, which replaces the microwave and a lunchbox, and also has various connected modules.
Now I have NEOVEN, a device that replaced the microwave for me in the office, on trips, and on picnics. In the morning, I choose what to take with me. I put my food in the large container, which I can warm up with the help of my NEOVEN. I take the mini kettle with me so that I can heat water at any time and make my favorite coffee. Sometimes I want to drink a delicious cup of freshly squeezed juice or a smoothie, which is where the mini mixer comes in. In a small container, I can put fresh fruits or some salad. And if I want to enjoy ice cream or desserts, I can take the mini fridge with me. Well, that's it. NEOVEN is ready. Now I can go to work with an easy mind. Five minutes before lunchtime, I open the mobile app and start heating up my food. It takes 5 minutes for my food to get warm. Now, I don't have to stand in line or use a microwave. I just sit down at the table, take out my hot food, and enjoy the moment. Lunchtime has gotten enjoyable. This is NEOVEN.